Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and this is one of my favorite videos to do because I get to share with you the exclusive, limited edition. You can only get it if you're in the Fold It Club, and I get to show it to you right now. Now, what is the Fold It Club? Some of you might not know. It is a shaped card that you can turn into, oh, where is it? A box if you want to. You can make it a card. You can turn it into a banner. You can use it on a scrapbook page. You can make it an invitation. The thoughts, you can do anything, right? Well, here we go. But again, you cannot buy this on my website. Just saying. You need to be in the Fold It Club. On your marks, get set. Here we go. It is called the Potted Plant Fold It. And let me tell you, I went through so many different variations when I designed this one. Because at first I was like, oh, I want it to be this. And then I was like, oh, no, I wanted to do this instead because this is better. And I had all this, so much fun designing this one. I'll be honest with you, I finally just finished it. And they literally had to airship it to me because I had so many little tweaks. But now, it is perfect. And I'm so excited. So let's look at this. Of course, you're getting the two dies that it comes with, right? You're getting the shadow die and the regular die. You're also getting the handy dandy postcard, which gives you a couple ideas, but rest assured, my friends, tons more ideas on the website, right? Then you are getting two stencils, okay? You're getting two stencils, and here's one of them, which, oh my goodness gracious, isn't that beautiful? Imagine the backgrounds on that, right? But let me show you the other. There's two background dies in this one. There's this one and there's this one. Aren't they beautiful? We're calling this one the fan background. Oh, I can't wait to show it to you. Okay, let's jump in and look at the samples. If you are not in the Fold It Club, my friends, I need to tell you, if you want this one, you need to join ASAP. I'm being totally serious. We only order a certain amount. We order a little extra each month just in case we have a lot more signups. But I'm just warning you right now, we will run out and then you're going to be sad and I can't order more. So that's kind of like the deal, okay? So here we go. Here is the first one. Here it is on an A2 card base, which is really fun because it gives you the idea of you can actually see it on the A2 card base. And there we have the background as well on this, the stencil right here. Then we have it as a shaped card. Here we go, we have a shaped card. So you can do it as a shaped card or an A2 card base. It's up to you, right? Even though they're both size A2. Then here's another cute one. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. And they stand so perfectly. I absolutely love them. Now here's another one with it on an A2 card base. Again, there's that fun stencil on the background. You're going to fall madly, deeply in love with that stencil especially is probably one of my favorites because it's just so fluid. Here's another one with that background. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's so many different options with this. Oh, here's one with a cute little bow on it. Look at this. Oh, you guys. Ah! I'm in love. And look at this one, not using the shadow. So you can use the shadow die. Here's the shadow die on a card. It is without the shadow. So there's lots of different options here, you guys. You can even die cut this in different colors and put the dots back into different colors. So much fun. Now here's another fun one. Woo, you can even make a felt banner. Our dies will cut wool felt. Yeah, we have wool felt on our website. But yes, check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? You could make a little banner. And this, save forever, right? This will never go anywhere. Now, last but not least, my club members are getting a freebie this month. So if you're in the Fold It Club, yes, I'm throwing in an extra little freebie. Why? Because I love you. And when you love people, you want to give them gifts, right? So there you go. Now, don't forget, you only have, when we release this video, you only have 4 more days for the Share Your Love promotion. That's where you go to your account, click on My Account, and there's a special link. You can give your friend $10 at the Stamps of Life. Wait, did you know that? You can give your friend $10 at the Stamps of Life. What you're going to do is you're going to give them that little link. They're going to sign up using that little link, and they are going to get a $10 gift certificate in their account if they join one of our clubs. But the best part is not only do you give them $10, but we give you $10 for sharing the love. So they win, you win, and we win because we get a new club member and we make you happy. So yay! Go check it out. You only have 4 more days on that. It ends February 28th. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And if you're not in the Fold It Club, you better hurry. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.